We're in fucking Jamaica, y'all. Okay, so this is the room. We're just gonna start it off. This is the room. You need a key to turn all the lights on and stuff, so make sure you have that. We're gonna start from the left. Right here is the bathroom. The 2 beds, but look at the closets. And a safe. Mini bar. A lot in here in the fridge, y'all. So important, and all this is included too. They said everything is included here. The sleeper over here for the couch. TV, little bench area. Oh, hey y'all. This is the balcony over here. Little seating area. Yeah, we over off to the side, but we finna hit the motherfucking streets. Eating at the buffet, y'all. It's a shit show. This all I got. What you tasted first?
The oxtail.
Was it good?
It just tastes
like nothing.
Yeah.
Me and my little ass head out here. Big her. Birthday tomorrow. Birthday at midnight. Birthday. His. Good morning, y'all. It's Avery's birthday. Turn up, dirty 30 on the way to breakfast. And that first food I showed y'all was nasty. But we on the way to the Riu buffet where we be going. I think it's called Rose Hall. So we're on the way to get breakfast right now. Where's this Beyonce character?
At the top there.
Yeah, sure.
It's all women too.
None.
Well, we need to see, because he didn't say what his transportation cost is going to be.
Oh, yeah.
Because,
he just told us the excursion.
Yeah, I was thinking that in the car. Like,
it's gonna be 150.
Well, yeah,
I'm telling you, I might as well just go ahead and do what we're supposed to do. Get ready, get cute, shake some ass.
Cheers, advance, long life, prosperity, health, wealth. Alright ladies, all you want to do? Alright, look what it's doing.
because there's been so much going on. So hopefully I had some footage from my phone from the rafts we did yesterday. We're on the way to do some ATVs in Rick's Cafe. Hopefully I can get that on camera. Avery's over here. Exactly.
We're all doing ATVs.
Yeah.
Everybody's doing ATV. We all have our bandanas, our water shoes.
So I just want to mention all these rides that we're taking to all these places are bumpy as hell. I would say if you have motion sickness, get you some pills, girl. Also, we didn't book any excursions online. We did it all through the people who did the transportation from the resort to the places. You don't have to deal with fees. Bring lots and lots of cash. I also suggest to pee before you go and only drink the bottled water.
Alright.
This the hip strip?
Yeah, this is a hip strip.
Look at the supermarkets and stuff, girl.
And this is
Or maybe Elevate.
Pier one.
We were there last night.
Oh, yeah.
It was
a lot of people.
Yes, it was a vibe last night.
Also to mention, sometimes you will not have service depending on your carrier. I had AT&T and didn't have any problems, but my other friends, they had problems with their phone carriers. I had service everywhere I went. Making a little pit stop for some food. That's all right. Oh, you haven't tried it?
I'm South African. I couldn't speak like that.
Go ahead.
I didn't get no
Also to mention, y'all not gonna see me eat chicken because I am unfortunately pescatarian.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Go ahead, do it again.
Do it again.
He like, I can't be on camera. Yeah, I thought the phone.
So the ATV excursion did not barely allow me to get any pictures, any videos, barely anything. It was a very bumpy ride and I don't have to do that again. I'm gonna just say they're wrong for this because this is fucking like 5 shrimp for $18. No, ma'am.
Yo! Greg, there's I'll pick him up. Yeah, if it's broke up a business. Yeah. What are you?
This is the food, y'all. The first 2 nights we ate at the buffet was really good, but tonight is not really given.
Pineapple juice, whatever.
Sunday, it's the last day, well, last official day. Then tomorrow we leaving. We're going on another excursion today. Blue Lagoon, right? Me and my towel, our water shoes, some snacks, a backpack, finishes, tuna sandwich.
Got this, she know we control them, yeah. She dancing, she winded, she make me want give her body, back shots, body, give her body.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, this is you can't see nothing on the water.
Where? Hold on, people. Some nude in the lagoon. Ladies can look and feel 10 years younger. they say ladies get an extra inch in the chest. They say kids grow taller and guys can get an extra inch of the bamboo if needed.
Oh, yeah. I'm doing cycle. What up, B? See my hands?
Yeah.
B! What's up, B? B, we live in B.
Nice, son. Itching in your back?
I see you, come on.
We don't give a shit about nothing but the tide. They don't give a piss about nothing but the tide.
I don't give a piss about nothing but the tide, baby. Don't give a piss about nothing but the tide. Blitz, Bama, blitz, baby. Blitz, Bama, blitz.
Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water.
We going home, y'all.
We're going home.
Oh, you can't even see us.
I know.
Wait, we going home, y'all.
Time to go. Jamaica
So
has
sad. Jamaica was amazing.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to talk mostly during this vlog like a voiceover because
We had such a good time.
yeah, we had a time so I couldn't really vlog like that. But yeah, finna go home.
But it wasn't gluten free. When oh, it smells so good. It smells like Bailey's or